*** Early warning. 13 signs of liver damage you shouldn't ignore ***. Hello. Did you know that your liver might be in trouble without you even realizing it? That's right. There are strange and alarming signs indicating that your liver may be at risk. Ignoring these signs could impact your health and, in extreme cases, be life-threatening. But I don't even drink. Many people think liver issues are solely related to alcohol, but that's not actually true. There are other silent causes that may be harming your liver without you knowing. In fact, some people have liver problems without any awareness of it. Get ready to discover 13 strange signs that indicate your liver could be in trouble. Signs that even experienced doctors can sometimes overlook. Don't ignore these signs, they could save your life. Plus, I'll share how you can take quick action to protect your liver. But first, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. When it comes to your health, our health, it's definitely worth sharing. And let me know, do you have fatty liver disease, or even fibrosis? Where are you from in the US, or around the world? Drop a comment below. Alright, let's get started. Now, I'm going to discuss why the liver is so crucial for your health. The liver is an extremely important organ responsible for essential functions that keep our bodies running. It's truly the body's silent hero. Together with the kidneys, it filters out unnecessary substances from our body. To give you an idea, your liver filters about 1.5 liters of blood every minute. This process removes toxins and waste from our body, keeping our blood clean. Additionally, the liver produces bile, which is essential for digesting fats. Without bile, we wouldn't be able to absorb the necessary nutrients from the food we eat. I know many people might ask, but I've had my gallbladder removed, so do I still have bile? Yes, you do. Without the gallbladder, the bile produced by the liver flows directly into the small intestine instead of being stored. This means that bile is continuously available, but in smaller quantities than it would be with a gallbladder after a meal. Fat digestion still occurs, but it may be less efficient, and some people might need to adjust their diet to avoid discomfort. The liver also stores glucose and vitamins, providing energy when we need it. The liver has two main functions. It produces cholesterol and clears cholesterol from the blood, which is why, when your liver is fatty, your cholesterol might be high, as it can't clear cholesterol properly. The liver also produces proteins necessary for blood clotting and helps combat infections. Now, think about it. Without the liver, your body couldn't eliminate toxins, digest fats, store energy, fight infections, or clot blood properly. That's why neither you, I, nor anyone else could survive without a liver. Now you see how essential the liver is to your overall health. The first step is to try to avoid anything that harms the liver, right? So, what can harm your liver? The first cause is consuming too many processed sweets and drinks, such as sodas and boxed juices. This includes everything that contains white flour, especially industrial fructose, which is often derived from corn rather than fruit. This fructose has become the primary sweetener in the food industry since the 1980s. It is metabolized in the liver, and excessive consumption can lead to fatty liver disease. Fatty liver disease can progress to inflammation, fibrosis, cirrhosis, and even liver cancer. The second cause is consuming too much vegetable seed oil and fast food. Oils rich in omega-6, such as soybean oil, corn oil, and sunflower oil, often cause inflammation. The imbalance between omega-6 and omega-3 in modern diets contributes to chronic inflammation, which can damage the liver. Fast food also contains trans fats and high amounts of sugar, increasing the risk of liver disease. The third cause is the frequent and high-dose use of painkillers, such as acetaminophen, some antibiotics, and anti-inflammatory drugs. Acetaminophen is the leading cause of acute liver failure in the United States, and heavy use can lead to liver toxicity. Prolonged use of antibiotics and anti-inflammatory drugs can cause inflammation and fibrosis in the liver. The fourth cause is hidden viral infections, such as hepatitis B and C viruses. These infections can cause silent liver damage, and if untreated, may progress to chronic hepatitis, cirrhosis, and liver cancer. An estimated 257 million people worldwide live with chronic hepatitis B, and approximately 71 million have chronic hepatitis C. These infections cause around 1.34 million deaths each year, primarily due to cirrhosis and liver cancer. Remember, there is a vaccine for hepatitis B, which is one of the first vaccines given to babies. The fifth cause, and one that can't be overlooked, is alcohol. Alcohol is metabolized by the liver, and heavy drinking can cause alcoholic fatty liver disease, inflammation, alcoholic hepatitis, and scarring or cirrhosis. Data shows that around 10 to 15% of heavy drinkers develop alcoholic hepatitis, and approximately 20% develop cirrhosis. Each time the liver is damaged, it attempts to repair itself by forming scar tissue. Over time, the buildup of scar tissue makes it harder for the liver to function. Cirrhosis can lead to liver failure, a condition that can be fatal. Now that you know the main causes, let's look at 13 strange signs of liver damage that you should be aware of. The first sign of a liver issue is light-colored stools. The liver releases bile acids to help digest fats. If you have liver disease, or there's a lot of fat and inflammation in the liver, bile flow is disrupted, resulting in light-colored or clay-colored stools. This could indicate a bile duct obstruction, or an issue with bile production. The second symptom of a liver problem is difficulty seeing at night. When the liver is damaged, it cannot efficiently eliminate toxins, leading to a buildup of toxins in the blood that affects the nervous system and vision. This also causes a deficiency in vitamin A, which is essential for night vision. If you notice that your night vision is worsening, it could be a sign that your liver is overloaded. The third sign of a liver problem is swollen feet. Scarring in the liver can block blood flow in the portal vein, increasing pressure, and causing water retention, leading to swelling in the legs and feet. This is known as edema, a common sign of advanced liver problems. The fourth sign of liver issues is the appearance of yellowish patches around the eyelids, known as xanthelasma. These are indicators of fat accumulation under the skin due to increased cholesterol caused by changes in bile flow. They may suggest that the liver is not metabolizing lipids properly. The fifth symptom of liver issues is a feeling of pressure or discomfort in the right abdomen. This can indicate liver inflammation or fat accumulation in the liver, and sometimes the pain may radiate to the right shoulder. This symptom may be caused by an enlarged liver or hepatitis. The sixth symptom of liver issues is the appearance of purple or red spots on the skin. Increased pressure in the portal vein and severe liver damage can cause these spots to form. This occurs because a damaged liver cannot produce enough clotting proteins, leading to easy bruising. The seventh sign of liver problems is a swollen belly. Fluid accumulation in the abdomen, known as ascites, indicates advanced liver issues. Ascites happens when high pressure in the liver veins causes fluid to leak into the abdomen. The eighth symptom of liver problems is persistent itching. This is due to the accumulation of bile acids and toxins in the blood and under the skin. The itching is often widespread and can be intense, affecting quality of life. The ninth sign of liver issues is white nails, also known as Terry's nails, which can indicate liver problems like cirrhosis or other severe issues. Terry's nails are characterized by a white appearance with a pink or red stripe at the tip. You can check your nails, hopefully, there's nothing of concern. The 10th sign of liver problems is dark-colored urine. When bilirubin builds up in the blood, it is filtered out by the kidneys, resulting in dark urine. Bilirubin is a yellow pigment formed during the breakdown of red blood cells, and its accumulation in the body can indicate liver problems. The 11th sign of liver issues is yellowing of the skin and eyes, known as jaundice, which occurs due to an increase in bilirubin levels in the blood. This can indicate liver issues. If someone turns yellow overnight, they should seek immediate medical attention, as it may indicate problems with the liver or pancreas. The 12th sign of liver issues is spider veins. What are they? These are dilated blood vessels under the skin, known as telangiectasias, appearing as thin, red lines on the skin, typically on the face, chest, and nose. They result from the liver's inability to process estrogen, a female hormone. This is why people with cirrhosis often experience breast growth, or gynecomastia, due to an increase in estrogen relative to testosterone levels in the body. The 13th sign of liver issues is red palms, also known as liver palms, which can be a sign of liver damage. The palms turn red due to increased blood flow caused by hormonal changes associated with liver damage. Now that you know the 13 strange signs that your liver might be damaged or experiencing issues, would you like to know how to prevent liver damage? Tip 1 Drink alcohol in moderation, or, better yet, avoid it altogether. Don't overload your liver. Excessive drinking remains one of the main causes of liver damage, including cirrhosis. Drinking in moderation means no more than 1 drink per day for women, and no more than 2 drinks per day for men. But remember, even a small amount of alcohol can be harmful to the liver if consumed regularly, especially if the liver is already compromised. Tip 2 Eat a balanced diet. Try to maintain a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and protein. Avoid foods high in sugar, saturated fats, and trans fats, as these can contribute to fatty liver disease. The Mediterranean diet, which includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, is particularly beneficial for liver health. Tip 3 Exercise regularly. Physical activity helps keep the liver healthy and eliminates excess fat. Exercise improves blood circulation and helps maintain an ideal body weight, which is crucial in preventing fatty liver disease. Being overweight is a significant risk factor for liver disease, and weight loss can help improve liver inflammation or fatty liver. Tip 4 Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to help the liver detoxify. Water aids the liver in removing toxins, making it easier for the liver to do its job. Tip 5 Be cautious with medications. Avoid excessive use of medication, especially painkillers, without the guidance of a doctor. Tip 6 Get vaccinated against hepatitis A and B. Without these vaccines, hepatitis can cause serious liver damage. The hepatitis B vaccine is especially important because chronic hepatitis B can lead to cirrhosis and liver cancer. Tip 7 Visit your doctor regularly. Get regular blood tests and ultrasounds to monitor your liver health. Early detection of liver problems can help prevent complications before they become severe. Remember, taking care of your liver means taking care of your whole body. Did you enjoy this video? Now you know if your liver might be in trouble. And here are the 13 strange signs of liver damage you need to know about. Please leave a like and a comment below, letting us know if you have fatty liver, or even cirrhosis, and share your stories and results with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Always remember to consult a health professional for personalized advice, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. And what's the next video you'll be watching? Stay tuned for more tips in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Share this valuable information with your friends and family. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any health tips. Thanks to our audience, and see you in the next video.